Champion of health, champion of better life, champion of education, champion of family health. First Lady, Mother of the Nation, Senator Oluremi Tinubu, CON.
Thank you very much. Can we all be seated? The wife of the Vice President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, Her Excellency Hajiya Nana Shettima, members of the National Assembly here present, the Chairman, Senate Committee on Health, Senator Ipalibo Harry Banigo, Her Excellency, Chairman, House Committee on Health, Honorable Amos Gwam Magaji, wife of the Honorable Speaker of the House of Representatives, Hajia Fatima Tajuddin Abbas, wife of the Deputy Senate President, Hajia Leila Barao, and wives of National Assembly members here present. The Honorable Minister, the Coordinating Minister of Health and Social Welfare. Maybe when I want to thank you, I would, towards my speech, I have to say something about you. I'll reserve that, CON. The Honorable Minister of Women Affairs, Hajia Imam Suleiman Ibrahim, wives of Honorable Ministers present, wives of service chiefs, because they all came in, the wife of the IG, or Inspector General of Police, Mrs. Egbeto Kun, she's here, the wife of the Chief of Defense Staff, who is the Chairman of DIPOA, Mrs. Ogogo Musa, and then the wife of the DSS, Mrs. Charity, am I right today? Ajayi. I call her Esther. Esther and Charity. Esther is, you are my Esther, so they are all here because these women, they represent, a lot of women group who are going to pass on the message we're here to launch. The Executive Director, Chief Executive Officer of National Primary Healthcare Development Agency, Dr. Muyi Aino, and his team, representatives of various donor agencies, WHO Country Representative, Dr. Pavel Oso, UNICEF Country Representative, Dr. Ronak Khan, Gates Foundation Representative, Yusufari, Senior Country Manager Gavi, the Vaccine Alliance, Tasil Umbala, our royal fathers here present, the Sultan of Sokoto, His Eminence, Dr. Sahad Abubakar, the third CFR, the Oni of Ife, His Imperial Majesty Oba Adeyeye Enitongunwosi, CFR Ojaja II, religious leaders here present, including the camp president, Archbishop Daniel Oko, the national president of Association of all Local Government Chairmen of Nigeria, ALGON, and all other local government chairmen present. National President of the National Council of Women's Society, Princess Edna Azura, and other members present. Our dear mothers and lovely children, members of the National Youth Service Corps, gentlemen of the press, distinguished ladies and gentlemen. I have to reel out the complete protocol, and I recognize our MCs and Timoji and Dr. Stereo Stover. Nice to see both of you, and it's been a long journey. I was telling the Minister for Health, I said I can't afford you in my events, so I have to groom some younger MCs to at least to follow your footsteps. It's always a delight to see both of you. Kabiesi, Mojubayi, I don't want to be partial, but Eku Bagbobo, God bless you. And I know His Eminence is like, what is she saying? And Your Eminence, we've all come a long way too. We can't begin to say how we meet you in Dubai that you just go very casually. And my daughter met him and we said, no, you don't know. We started explaining who Sahad is. So God bless you, Your Eminence. I'm delighted to join you today at the national flag off of the Measles and Rubella vaccine introduction integrated campaign as we take another bold step towards protecting the lives and the future of our children. This flag off is a declaration of our collective resolve as a nation to say no more to the diseases that steal the future of our sons and daughters. We are all aware of the devastating impact of measles and its complications. It causes blindness, permanent disability, and in too many cases, it claims the lives of our precious children. Its twin disease, rubella, though often silent, is equally harmful. When it infects the pregnant woman, the unborn child may likely be born with blindness, deafness, or serious heart defects. The consequences are profound. Families are devastated, communities are weakened, and the nation suffers. Every child lost is a dream cut short. Every disability causes a future dimmed. We cannot allow this devastating trend to continue. That is why we are here today, to flag off a solution, a pathway to hope and promise of progress. With this vaccine, our children will be protected against two deadly diseases and enjoy a lifetime of safety and protection. This effort builds on our united fronts against polio, tuberculosis, human papilloma virus, HPV, and other vaccine-preventable diseases. It is also in line with the renewed hope agenda of His Excellency, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, GCFR, which seeks to ensure that every Nigerian child has a healthy start in life and that no mother dies while birthing life. But let us be clear, a vaccine in a vial does not save a child. A vaccine in a clinic does not protect a community. Protection only becomes real when the vaccine is injected into the arm of a child or taken through like the polio, just a drop. This is the reason I call on all Nigerians to embrace and avail themselves of this vaccine. Mothers, take your children to be vaccinated. Fathers, support your wives and families to ensure your children are protected. And to our revered traditional rulers and religious leaders, your voices carry immense weight. Use your influence to spread the truth, to dispel rumors, and to ensure that no child is left behind. I'm using this opportunity to appreciate your involvement in the HPV vaccine, and the success recorded would not have been achieved without your support. I thank you all. These vaccines are safe, effective, and free. They are one of the greatest gifts of modern medicine. They save lives, prevent diseases, and give our children the chance to grow, learn, and thrive. On my part, I pledge to support the uptake of the measles rubella vaccine as I have done today, that I'm going to do today. So I will continue to advocate that mothers, first ladies of states, local government chairmen's wives, women groups, that you see a lot of them here today, traditional leaders, and associations across our country, to ensure no child is left unprotected. Let me take this moment to commend the Federal Ministry of Health and Social Welfare under the leadership of Professor Muhammad Ali Pate, CON. You've been a gift to this administration. I've watched you travel throughout Nigeria, not only that, and also globally. You've been relentless. And our traditional rulers, these the efforts we are commending today. I've seen you, go all over, and your impact and your relationship with them are seen by all. And they are here because of the trust they have in you. And on my part, I can't even appreciate you more. I thank you so much. Just only recently, we have a program we are supposed to go to. I just called you while you were in the States. I know how busy you are, and you said, you would love to. And I know your visit, with my visit, it will add another weight of the experience and the trust your colleagues all over the world have in you. It's always a joy, even when we go on hunger, I sit within people and they talk about you. It's really, really, I'm proud. I'm proud to really associate. And it's a joy also working with you. Dr. Mui only gave me 5 days notice. You won't believe. It's always a joy and the trust. And don't do that again. You see, I'm 65 now. Don't do that again. So I really, really thank you and your team. And God really blessed you with, I believe when a leader is on fire, the team too will be ignited. You've done that, and everyone is just doing the same. And I see Dr. Mui, I know too, of the CEO, the Executive Director and CEO of National Primary Healthcare Development Agency. You turn on the TV, it's there. And I said, we've finished this frontline health workers thing, but it continued. And one of my take home today is what His Imperial Majesty said, the Oni of Ife, about rubella. I think when all of us think about that, we will keep laughing, because that was really a very good one, and I think it's already on Marble. So God bless you, Kabiyesi. I also extend appreciation to our valued partners, the World Health Organization, UNICEF, the Gates Foundation, Gavi, and others for standing with us. I know the members of the CBOs and the community development organizations and all the stakeholders are here that I didn't even recognize. We all need you to pass on this message, and we need the members of the press too. Finally, I'd like to thank Mr. President for providing the leadership and resources, most importantly, that have made this noble cause possible. On this note, to the glory of God, I hereby officially flag off the Measles, Rubella vaccine introduction integrated campaign in Nigeria for the protection of our children, the custodians of our tomorrow. God bless our children, God bless our mothers, God bless the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Your Excellency. There would be just a quick photo.
Shift them. When they shift, don't come close to us.
Because she wants the other ones to apply. Let them get some more children, some more babies for quickly. She wants the other, some other dignitaries.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
I carried one boy doing this. How old is he?
So let them go there. Let them go there.
I carried one, and